So you all know how to make the paper mache. I have prepared some paper mache using rice flour, homemade glue, and I soaked the paper overnight and I grind it and made the paper mache already. I have taken little oil and this is rice flour glue what I have taken. To make a paper pencil stand, so you can take any shape. I have taken a glass, this what you can see. I will be applying little oil so that when we are trying to remove it, it should not stick to the glass. So I have used little oil, I have rubbed it. Now I will be taking a sheet to stick over that. I will be taking little glue and stick this like this, and behind you can fold it like in this way. I have applied oil, so while removing it should be little easier. You can use any shape which you want. After this is stick in this way, I will start applying paper mache over this, and make sure you apply it evenly. In this way, okay, and you can use spoon or knife to smoothen it, and it should be little thick. You can see I have taken almost 1 centimeter thickness. Just apply all over the glass or whatever shape you have taken. Take the paper mache and apply it evenly. If it is not sticking, you can take a little glue and stick with that. When you touch around, you should feel that equally distributed paper mache, okay? If you don't feel that, just check where to apply more and where you can take out little. See children, once you apply evenly, then you can take a spoon or a knife, whatever you are comfortable, to just make the surface little smooth. So while you are painting, you will get a good finishing. You can just rub lightly like this over the glass, over the paper mache what you have applied, and just it will give little smooth finishing. After this, you have to keep this to dry for 6 to 7 hours till it get dried, and later you have to apply 1 coat of Fevicol. Later you can start coloring after the Fevicol coat is dried. Now we will keep this for drying and wait for 6 to 7 hours, and we will give the final touch up later. Okay children, there was some paper mache left over still, so I am taking one use and throw bowl. So I'll be applying the paper mache over this because I don't want to waste this. I'm just trying to make one more object by this, using this. Make sure when you're using plastic, just apply little oil. I'm not using paper this because I think it will be removed easily. Just apply all over the bowl like this. Wherever it is required, you can dab little. And as I have explained in the class also, it is once it get dried, it will be very lightweight and strong enough, and it will not get break. That is the advantage of making things out of paper mache. You can give any shape. I've used the same method and covered the paper mache all over the bowl now, and I'll be just tapping this to give little smoothness using the spoon. You can also do the same. You can take any shape to do this, and after we give little finishing, I'll keep it to dry for 6 to 7 hours. Then apply a coat of Fevicol. Then later whatever color we like, we can do it. How to implement on a glass. So now it is dried. Now you can see how it is. So I'm just putting a coat of Fevicol over it, so that when we color, the color should not absorb by the paper mache. Okay. Just apply one round of Fevicol. Once it is dried, you can apply any color you like. If you want, you can mix little water along with this. I am just taking a dip. You can just rub around all over the pen holding now. I'm just making my brush wet, that's it. And just take one stroke like this and apply it all over it. Once it is dried, you can apply whatever color you like, the base color, and then you can give a finishing. You can see now I had applied blue, it is dried now. So I'll be using some white acrylic color as a base. So after this I will do Wali art over this, or you can do whatever you like to do, flower or a scenery, anything you like you can do it. So while applying the color also, make sure you apply the color evenly and don't leave any space. You should cover completely. As you can see, I am applying it completely like this. Once it gets dried, again you need to work on this. Make sure there are you can see little minute space would be left out. Just make sure you fill it nicely or completely like this, especially in the edges. Just apply it neatly. And acrylic color, it will dry fast for within 1 hour, so you can again start working on that. And children, it is always your choice how creatively you do. You can see I have colored it completely evenly, so I will let it get dried. We can work on this again.